Rolling back test data to undo or reverse changes is quick and easy. Rolling back is useful if you have found an error in your data and wish to restore the previous version. You may want to change your data after loading it into Phixflow. You may want to change the attribute data types after loading it into Phixflow. You may be testing and want to see the results of different functions on the same table. In this video, we will be looking at rolling back test data only, but if you would like to learn about rolling back production data, search rollback record sets in the help. It is important to note that once data has been rolled back, it cannot be retrieved. Let's start with a table on an ERD. Click the header to open the properties and then click More Options and Show Record Sets. We can see all record sets for the table. Double-click any of these record sets to view the data in each one. This is what the data currently looks like. This is what the data looks like in the previous run, and we want to return to this. Let's right-click on the run that we want to roll back and select Rollback Record Set. If we select the top option to roll back one record set, we will return the data to the previous version. Toggle off Keep Old Record Sets. We can see that the data has reverted to the previous run. We can also choose to roll back all record sets, and this will clear all data in the table. These options are available anywhere a table is used. If you're on a screen, right-click and select Show the Table Configuration. You can also find the table in the repository and right-click it to make the same changes. That's all for this video. If you would like to learn more about rolling back data, search Clearing and Loading Data in an ERD and Rollback Record Sets in the help.